So this is a payment from a client, $3,000 for a site built with HTML, CSS, and Claude Code. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what exactly changed from my last video and also why that change is tripled what I was charging. Now, I've seen a lot of designers, a lot of developers. We design beautiful websites, we design everything. We can even bring in AI to make us develop faster, design faster. But at the end of the day, we don't get clients, right? And we even go to an extra mile to go and post on social media platforms, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, any platform you may think of, and still people, they ghost us. And again, we start even to wonder if this is exactly what we are meant to be doing, if this is exactly how the game should be like, right? We start to wonder a lot of things. And to be honest with you guys, I was exactly there 12 months ago, in the same bracket, charging less, being ghosted by clients. But currently today, I'm charging 3 times more than what I was doing, and nothing for me changed much, right? The skill didn't change, the tools didn't change, but what I changed is the system. And this is why this matters most, especially in 2026. AI came and AI changed how the market works, right? The market is being saturated daily. Anyone can create a website, anyone can create a system and launch instantly. And the clients that used to pay $200, the clients that used to pay $500 per site, they are even now aware of these AI tools. They have seen the AI demo videos, all over the internet. They have seen everything, and some of them, they're going again an extra mile to do the stuff for themselves, right? Now, others, they make it even worse for us, where they now expect more but they want to pay less, right? Which is still a challenge. So with just looking at this problem, it brings two things. Either one should continue being at the bottom, charging less, building more, and being frustrated, continue being frustrated, burning out, and all those things, or to reposition yourself such that you are not just an ordinary designer, you are not just an ordinary developer, you are someone who will bring value upfront to your clients such that they won't even say no when you show them what you are building or what you have built. And guys, this is where the demo sell build framework comes into play. And with this framework, has managed me to charge thousands and thousands to my clients without them complaining, because they know they're going to get value at the end of the day, right? So demo sell build framework is just a simple framework with 3 steps. And with these 3 steps, what matters most is the order that you arrange them, right? So firstly, you have your demo, second is the sell part, and thirdly is the build, right? Now, this arrangement is most important, right? You don't have to make an error on how this, otherwise you continue doing what you were doing. Right now, let me take you through step by step on how this framework works, right? Step number 1, the demo, right? So with the demo, we are saying go out there, identify a problem, identify a prospect client that you want to target, then come and try to come up with a solution such that at the end of the day, you are going there to demonstrate something that will increase value, that will solve your client problem. So how I do it, I go to platforms like ThemeForest, right? I look for a template where it relates to what my client industry is. And with this template, I just download it. These are ready to build templates, right? I download it, I give it to Claude Code, and I give the branding, the logo, the colors for that business, all the relevant content, and Claude will create me a landing page, will create me a waiting list, it will create me the whole solution. In no time, in 4 hours, I'll be done, right? So the other thing that you have to keep in mind is why I choose ThemeForest, right? There are so many other ways that you can do it, but with ThemeForest, we are saying we need a website that already have everything. We need a sample of something that can actually deliver value. And with this platform, I find it very useful because the templates that I get there, already the aesthetics, the animations, the psychology part that we put in a website, it's there. All I need to do is download it, customize it, give it to Claude to customize it, and I'm done, right? That's the first part. And with this part, because I now have this vast knowledge of how these things work, I'll pack it with value, right? Then I go now to the next step, which is the sell part. Now, on the sell part, some people prefer doing cold calling, they prefer doing cold emailing, which is still fine. But I want to be there. I want to go there physically. Now, why do I need to go there physically? I need to meet the decision maker. Now, who is the decision maker in this whole equation? The decision maker is the person who has a greater influence on how the business is being run. He is the one who makes the decision to say, let's go this way, let's buy this, let's do this, right? And you need to meet this person, mostly in person, right? Because I've seen that when you do cold calling, yes, it's fine. There are certain clients where I do cold calling, but some, if I can, and also if you can, do physical visits. Now, with physical visits, not only are you going to present something, but you are also going to pick other problems that were not visible online, that you can even sell a solution to them. Now, as an engineer, you need to think fast. You need now to see if in anyhow they say they don't like this, or they already have a website, or they have someone working on it. Now you can even bring all those other problems that you're noticing, because you're in there, you are in their environment, right? And I've done this in so many ways. And in my last video, I showed you where I visited a daycare center, and I showed how they were being stuck in admin work, and they had already told me that they have someone who's busy with their website. But because I went there with the value and I managed to identify something else that they were suffering from, then I upsold that, and now they are my client, right? So do a code visit, demonstrate whatever that you have built, and see how it works. For me, 80% of the time, these clients, they don't ask me, what else have you done or whatever. They ask me, okay, how much is it, and also when can we start using this, right? And this is where you want to be, because a lot of people are out there. A lot of people, they can claim they build this, they do this, but real clients, they want to see value. Yes, I have a portfolio with other clients, but is that portfolio solving what this particular client is facing? No. So a client wants to see exactly how you are solving their problem. And once you get there, you have gained a client, right? Now, we negotiate the price. Now, on this part, you set a price that you want, right? Always aim higher. Don't hesitate to charge, guys, because you are delivering value. And once your client have seen that you're going to offer them value, they won't hesitate to pay, right? Charge as much as you can, depending with the client that you're facing, and also ask them if they have a certain budget. What is it that they can afford? Then you meet halfway, right? Now, after selling, obviously we know there are other things that you now need to do. Come up with offer documents, requirement documents, branding and so forth and so forth. Those things, I can't really stress much about those, because we all know we need those things. Right now, you leave with a client who's happy, who have seen your value, and who's expecting whatever that you presented. They can't wait to start using that system. They can't wait to start using that platform, right? You start polishing up your demo or whatever that you had designed. You polish it up, and this time you are not just building without anything. You are now building with clarity, right? On your side, it's a win because you have clarity. On the client side, there's transparency, there's value that you have already shown. And guys, to be honest with you, it's way easy to work with someone who understands the value that you're going to give, right? It's way easy that way. Now, when you're building, don't just be like those other designers where they take the money or the deposit, then they go away, spend weeks and weeks, and they don't communicate back to their clients, right? You need to also up your game, right? So how I do it, I set up communication channels. I set up a sandbox such that when we are communicating from day one, I have a right communication platform which is comfortable for my client that we are using. At the same time, I've created this environment where whatever feature that I have finished, I send it to them. And this live environment or the sandbox environment has got a live URL where I leave it with them. They can check every time, every week, and every week we do demos. I communicate with them. Whatever feature that I push, I give it to them. Now, the other hidden part of doing all this is I'm buying trust from my client. Now, once you have gained trust from your client, trust me, they will always come to you. They will always refer you, right? So this is the building part. We build with Claude Code. We go there. If we need to do extra things, we do it with Claude Code and so forth and so forth. Right now, after we have done building, we launch. And after launching, obviously, we need two things from the client. We need a testimonial and a referral. Now, I want you to picture it in this angle. If I have charged this particular client 3,000, do you think they're going to refer me to a client or to their friends who also can't afford 3,000? No, right? And this is how the loop goes. You do it for one client, that client brings you another client, a high paying client, the next, it's like a loop, and it goes. So this is the demo cell build framework that I've used, and this is what I'm currently using, and it's generating me money, and it's making me get more clients because I'm offering value upfront. And this is what clients want. Clients want to see exactly what you're offering, exactly what they're going to benefit from, right? And this is what is separating me from all those other designers, because I'm bringing value to my clients. So a lot of people now, they've been asking me, so where do you actually get these clients? How do you approach them? And this is what I'm going to share with you in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss the next video, because if you miss it, guys, it's your loss. You will continue doing the wrong things. You will continue getting ghosted by clients. You will continue charging less, because I'm going to tell you everything, how I do it, where I get them, how I approach them, right? So this is all that I had. And if you had missed the video that I first released some time ago about HTML and CSS, I'll leave it here so that you can go visit it and see how I've done it, because that video is the foundation of everything. That's the video that have made me who I am now and where I am now with how I'm doing my business, designing websites, creating systems, approaching clients, and so forth. So go and check it out, and see you in the next one.